We begin with a Vue template containing a transition group with the name Staggered list. The tag attribute specifies that the rendered group should be an unordered list, or UL. Within it, we iterate over items with AV for loop, displaying each item within a li element. The key attribute ensures that Vue can keep track of each item uniquely, which is important for efficient DOM updates. The inline style binds the transition delay to a method called getDelay, which calculates the delay based on the item's index in the array. Moving into the script, we define our Vue components data. Here we have the items array, which will hold our list items with their respective ids and text. The stagger amount data property is set to 100 milliseconds, which will be used for the staggered animation delay. We also define the getDelay method, which takes an index as an argument and returns a string representing the delay time for the CSS transition, calculated by multiplying the index by the stagger amount. Lastly, let's look at the CSS. The classes Staggered list enter active and Staggered list leave active define the active state of our enter and leave transitions, setting the transition properties for both opacity and transform over half a second. For the enter and leave to states, we set the starting opacity to 0 and translate the Y position by 20 pixels, creating a sliding effect. When a list item enters or leaves, it will fade in from transparent and slide up into position, with each subsequent item staggered by the delay we defined.